Now let's go for the practical problems of simple interest, sir. Practice problems, page 16, CMA material. Question number 1. How much interest will be earned? How much interest will be earned on rupees 2000 at 6% SI for 2 years? This is my question. Let us see the answer, sir. Principal is equal to rupees 2000. Rate of interest is 0.06. Time is equal to 2 years. So simple interest is equal to 2000 into 0.06 into 2. Rupees 2000 into 0.12. 2000 into 0.12. Rupees 240. Rupees 240. Question number 2. X deposited rupees 5000 in a bank. So principal is equal to rupees 50,000. Time is equal to 2 years. Rate of interest is equal to 5.5%. What is required for us? Simple interest is equal to question mark. Amount is equal to question mark. Let us see the solution, sir. Simple interest is equal to principal into rate into time. Rupees 50,000 into 2 into 5.5 divided by 100. 2 zeros cancel. Two into 5.5. 500 into 2 into 5.5. 500 into 2 into 5.5. 5,500. Interest is equal to 5,500. Amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. Rupees 50,000 plus rupees 5,500. 55,500. Let me verify the calculations one more time. Okay, sir. This is answer to question number 2. Let us see question number 3. Rahul deposited rupees 1 lakh in his bank. Principal is equal to rupees 1 lakh. For 2 years, time is equal to 2 years. Rate of interest is equal to 0.06, that is 6%. Okay. So simple interest is equal to question mark, amount is equal to question mark. Simple interest is equal to principal into rate into time. 1 lakh into 2 into 0.06, 12,000 amount is equal to principal plus simple interest rupees 1 lakh plus rupees 12,000. $1,12,000. This is the amount, sir. Question number 4. Given amount is equal to 1050, time is equal to 6 months, principal is equal to 1000, rate of interest is question mark. Rate of interest is question mark. We know simple interest is equal to amount minus principal. 1050 minus 1000 is equal to rupees 50. Now simple interest is equal to principal into rate into time divided by 100. Therefore R is equal to simple interest into 100 divided by PT. Rupees 50 into 100 divided by rupees 1000 into time is equal to 6 months, means 0.5. 6 divided by 12. 6 divided by 12 means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 0.5. T is equal to 6 by 12 years. 1 by 2 year, this is 0.5. Rupees cancel. 2 zeros cancel here, cancel. So this is 5 divided by 0.5. 10%. Question number 6. Sorry, question number 5. Rahul invested rupees 70,000 in a bank. Principal is equal to beta rupees 70,000. Rate of interest is equal to 6.5% per annum SI. Amount is equal to rupees 85,925 at the end of the period. Time is equal to question mark. So simple interest is equal to amount minus principal. 85,925 minus 70,000, 15,925. Simple interest is equal to principal into rate into time by 100. So implies time is equal to SI into 100 divided by principal into R. So this is 15,925 into 100 divided by principal is 70,000 into rate is 6.5. 2 zeros cancel here. 700 into 6.5. So this is 15,925 divided by 4550. Divided by 4550. 3.5 years. Answer is 3.5 years. Next, sir. Question number 6. Kapil deposited some amount in a bank. Principal is not given. Time is equal to 7.5 years. Rate of interest is 6%. Amount is equal to 1,01,500. Calculate the principal. Okay beta, RT is equal to 7.5 into 0.06. 7.5 into 7.5 into 0.06, 0.45. Amount is equal to principal into 1 plus RT. Principal into 1 plus 0.45. Principal into 1.45. Amount is given 1,01,500 is equal to principal into 1.45. Rupees 1,01,500 divided by 1.45. $70,000. 70,000 is the answer. Question number 7, sir. A sum of rupees 46,875 was lent out at simple interest. So principal amount is 46,875. The time is equal to 1 year 8 months. Amount is equal to 50,000. R is equal to question mark. Rate of interest is question mark. Let us see. Time is equal to 1 year 8 months. This is 1 8 by 12. 1 2 by 3. 1.66666 recurring. You can make it 1.67 years. Amount is equal to principal into 1 plus RT. Amount is equal to 50,000. Principal is equal to 46,875. So 50,000 divided by 46,875 is equal to 1 plus 1.67 into R. 50,000 divided by 46,875 this is 1.06666 recurring. This is also recurring. 1.6666 R is equal to 1.0 minus 1. So R is equal to 0.06666 divided by into 100. Point 0.0666 divided by 1.6. into 100. 3.99 sir, 96 approximated to 4% interest. 4% interest. Let us see, there is an alternative approach for this. Simple interest is equal to amount minus principal. 50,000 minus 46,875. This is 3,125. R is equal to simple interest into 100 divided by principal into time. 3125 into 100 divided by principal is 46,875 into time is equal to 1.67. (3125) into 100 is equal to divided by 46,875 is equal to divided by 1.67. This is also giving 3.99 approximated to 4%. Any method you can follow, sir, that doesn't make any difference, because they don't specify in which method you have to solve the question. So you can follow any method. Let us see question number 8. What sum of money will produce 28,600 as interest? Simple interest is rupees 28,600. Time is equal to 3 years 3 months. 3 years 3 months. Rate of interest is equal to 2.5% per annum. Simple interest. Principal is equal to question mark. Okay sir. Let us see, time is equal to 3 years 3 months. This is equal to 3 by 12. 3 1 by 4, 3.25 years. So principal is equal to simple interest into 100 divided by R into T. Simple interest is 28,600 into 100 divided by 2.5 into 3.25. 28,600 into 100 is equal to divided by 2.5 is equal to divided by 3.25. 3,52,000. 3,52,000. Principal is equal to 3,52,000. If I deposit 3,52,000 in a bank and bank is paying interest at 2.5%, when bank is paying interest at 2.5% per annum and the time period is 3 years or 3 months, you will get 28,600 as simple interest. Okay sir. 9th question. In what time will 85,000 amount to? Principal is given as 85,000. Amount is equal to 1,57,675. Rate of interest is 4.5%, otherwise 0.045. Time is equal to question mark. Calculate simple interest, sir. Amount minus principal. 1,57,675 minus 85,000. This is 72,675. Time is equal to simple interest divided by principal into rate. 72,675 divided by 0.045 into time is equal to, we have to calculate principal 85,000 divided by 85,000 is equal to, divided by 0.045, 19. Time is equal to 19 years. Time is equal to 19 years. So with this your practice problems are over, sir. All practice problems you are getting in one video. Then I am choosing for correct answers. Practice problems over, correcting, choosing the correct answer. Second, third. Okay.